Hello, hello, my dear health seeker. How are you? Inga from Health Origins here. So today I'm continuing nut butter theme. So I made some nut butters, I made some seed butters, and so far my favorite was cashew butter. So today I've never made pecan butter before, but I have a suspicion that that could become my next favorite butter because I love, absolutely love the pecans when I roast them. So let's see how this butter compares. Now the only two things you're actually going to need only one ingredient, so pecan nuts. So I've got 3 cups, so at least 3 cups or even 4 cups if you've got it. So the more volume we have, the easier it's going to be to blend. So we're going to roast the pecan nuts in the oven on 180 for about 10 minutes or so. We'll see how they go, but I think maybe 10-12 minutes we might need, and then you're gonna need a powerful food processor, and that is it. So that should make our butter. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. I've preheated my oven, so I'm gonna stick these in the oven for 10 minutes. I'm gonna check and we'll see, and I think they'll be ready to get those blended. So I've got my nuts roasted now, and I've actually let them cool down for a few minutes. So it took about 15 minutes on 180. So I'm gonna now add all the nuts to the food processor and we're gonna blend. So I'm gonna put the lid on and we're gonna blend for a few minutes, and we'll see how many minutes it's gonna take to get into a nut butter. Wow, it's only been 45 seconds, guys, and look at this, it's pretty much turning into butter already. So I'm going to scrape the sides with a spatula and we're going to continue. This is the quickest butter of all of the ones that I made so far. Cashew butter was pretty fast, actually was about 4 minutes if I remember correctly. So this will be even faster still because, like I said, it's only 45 seconds so far. And it's pretty much looking like butter already. So it's been 2 minutes so far, and it's looking pretty, wow, it's pretty liquid. And I can see little particles of nut. I wonder if that's kind of the consistency it's gonna be. I don't think it'll actually become completely smooth. It looks like it's just got like really kind of liquid. So I don't know whether it'll get any smoother than this, to be fair. I might go for another minute just to see if some of these little bits will blend up anymore, but I think because it's all so liquid, I think that's pretty much our butter. So it's been exactly 3 minutes now, and it doesn't look like it's gotten much smoother. There's still like little bits of nut, but I think that'll be nice anyway. So I'm gonna pour it into a container and we're gonna taste test it. So now to the taste test. I must admit, I had a sneaky taste from the spatula just before, but I'll do a proper one. So rich, creamy. It's very runny. I think the runniest of all the nut and seed butters I've made so far, and it got that little bit of kind of bitter aftertaste at the end, because it's similar to walnuts, and I prefer pecan nuts to walnuts because walnuts, I find them quite bitter, whereas pecans are not so much, and especially when they are roasted, I find that they're kind of nice and caramelly tasting. So yeah, it is a delicious butter, and I can see how I could use this to put even on some bread with jam perhaps, or use it in baking, or use it perhaps as a salad dressing with added some acid, either apple cider vinegar or some lemon juice, or perhaps some olive brine, my favorite. So yeah, I can see how you could use this. So yeah, let me know if you try this, what you thought of it, and what is your favorite nut or seed butter. Like I said, I think my favorite still remains cashew butter, but this could be a second close butter that I like. It is delicious. What is your favorite? And if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and subscribe for more videos similar to this. I release a video every Wednesday, and also do a live cook along for weight loss show on Sundays. And remember, food is fuel, so be mindful what you put in your body. Until next time.